Wassce 2026 Core Mathematics, question number 7. A company produces handmade bags at $120 and sells each at 30% profit. A. Find the selling price of a bag. Okay, so from the question, we are told that the cost price per bag is equal to CP is equal to $120. The percentage profit or the profit percent on a bag is equal to 30%. Now, cost price in terms of percentages is always 100%. So it's equal to what? 100%. Selling price per bag in terms of percentages is 100% plus 30%, which gives us 130%. Okay, now cost price in terms of percentage, 100 is equal to $120. Therefore, 130% for the selling price will be equal to, therefore, the selling price of a bag is equal to SP. SP is equal to 130% over 100% times $120. This is equal to, percentages cancels percentages. When we multiply the numerators, it gives us 15,600 all over 100. So when we divide this, it gives us $156.00. That is the selling price. B. If the company wants to make a total profit of $2,700, how many bags must be sold? Here, we don't know the number of bags that will be sold to realize this said profit. And also, we don't know the profit. Let us first of all calculate the profit. Profit on a bag is equal to P is equal to SP minus CP. I'm using SP and CP because we have already defined this and that in the previous question. So the selling price we just calculated is $156.00 minus the cost price $120. So profit is equal to, when we subtract this from that, it gives us $36. Let the number of bags to be sold to realize the said profit of $2,700 is equal to X. Therefore, the number of bags to be sold is equal to, so it's going to be the number of bag X times the profit of $36, which will give us the $2,700. Now, we multiply this by this, it gives us 36x is equal to 2,700. Then we divide both sides by 36. So we have x is equal to 2,700 all over 36. So x is equal to, when you divide this by that, it gives us 75 bags. C. Suppose the production cost increases by 10%, but the selling price remains unchanged. Find the I new profit per bag. Okay. C. Percentage 10% of the production cost, which is the cost price, is equal to 10 over 100 times the cost price, which is 120 degrees. Okay. Now, 0 cancels 0 here. This 0 cancels 0 here. So it gives us 12 cedis. The new cost price is equal to CPN is equal to $120 plus the $12, which gives us $132. Selling price remains unchanged is equal to SP is equal to $156.00. Therefore, the new profit per bag is equal to PN is equal to selling price SP minus CPN. Now, the selling price remaining the same, which is 156.00 minus the new cost price, which is $132. Now, when you subtract, it is going to give us $24. C. Suppose the production cost increases by 10%, but the selling price remains unchanged. Find the II, the number of bags that must be sold to make a profit of at least $2,700. II. Therefore, the number of bags that must be sold to make a profit of at least $2,700 is equal to Y. So the Y times the profit of $24 will give us $2,700. Y times 24 gives us 24Y is equal to $2,700. We divide both sides by 24. Y is equal to $2,700 divided by 24. Y is equal to, when you divide, it gives us 112.5 bags. But we do not have 0.5 bags, so we have to round this one up. So we are going to get Y is equal to 113 bags. So you conclude by saying rounded up. Subscribe, like, share, and discuss with your friends. Thank you.